Have you ever watched metal parts joined together effortlessly in a fabrication shop? Chances are it was MIG welding. MIG stands for Metal Inert Gas Welding, also known as Gas Metal Arc Welding or GMAW. It's one of the most widely used welding processes because it's fast, efficient, and versatile. Here's how it works. A continuously fed wire electrode creates an electric arc with the base metal. The heat melts both the wire and the metal, fusing them into a strong joint. At the same time, shielding gas flows around the arc to protect the weld pool from oxygen and nitrogen contamination. The setup is simple yet precise. You need a power source, a wire feed system, a welding gun, and a gas supply. The power source keeps a stable arc, while the wire feed pushes electrode wire at controlled speeds. The welding gun delivers the wire and gas to the joint, and components like the contact tip and gas nozzle ensure consistent performance. MIG welding also uses different metal transfer modes. Short-circuit transfer is perfect for thin materials, creating minimal spatter. Globular transfer moves larger droplets, but is less controlled. Spray transfer delivers a smooth stream of droplets for thicker metals, and pulse spray alternates current pulses to reduce heat while keeping weld quality high. This process works on a variety of metals: carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Carbon steel usually uses ER70S 6-wire with CO2 or argon CO2 gas. Stainless steel uses ER308L or ER316L, and aluminum requires pure argon with ER4043 or ER5356 filler. MIG welding shines in industries like automotive, construction, shipbuilding, and industrial manufacturing. Its high deposition speed, ease of automation, and ability to weld multiple metals make it indispensable. There are a few limitations. Shielding gas makes it sensitive to wind, surface prep must be clean, and equipment is more complex than basic welding methods. But for indoor, production-focused work, it's fast, reliable, and produces clean, strong welds. In short, MIG welding combines a wire electrode and shielding gas to join metals quickly and efficiently, making it one of the most versatile welding processes in modern manufacturing. At Yijin Solution, we help engineers and manufacturers turn welding and metal joining requirements into reliable, precision solutions, from basic carbon steel projects to challenging aluminum and stainless assemblies. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more engineering and manufacturing insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.